This project is about 7-segment BCD convert. For the assembly of this circuit, we will need a protoboard. It is a testing board or insert board with holes that are internally and electrically connected to each other, normally following line patterns, in which electronic components, wires, prototypes of electronic circuits, and similar systems can be inserted.
Resistors are passive components that limit current flow to avoid overcurrent, which could be dangerous for the circuit components. CD4511 or MC14511. It's an integrated circuit type 7 segments BCD converter, binary coded decimal. This means that its job will be to convert a binary number, 0 and 1, that we will enter in a decimal number. Wires connectors, power supplies, microswitches, common cathode 7-segment display.
In this picture, the lowercase letters of the outputs in an integrated circuit that belongs to each segment of the LED diode, having two joint emitting letters. And the capital letters are the inputs of the integrate, where will be entered each digit of the binary number using a microswitch and a pull-down resistor, which goes to ground. Therefore, if we don't press, the input is going to enter a 0, a certain segment doesn't turn on, and if we press it, a 1 is going to enter. A certain segment turn on. BCD is connected to the positive of the power supply and VSS to the negative of the same, also called GND, ground. It can be powered from 5 to 18 volts, and the input currents can go from 1 micro to 25 milliamps.
The decimal point of the display, named DP, can be connected to the integrated, so if you want to connect it, it must be done separately. In this case, we won't. There are also 3 integrated test inputs called LT, lamp test, set to 0 because it is negative. BI, blanking input, active in 0. LE, latch enable, active in 1. LT activate all the segments together. BI turns off all the segments together too, and LE frees the last value entered.